everyone, and welcome back to A Morgan Moment with me, your host, Morgan McKenzie. Today, I bring you a Black Friday haul of the pieces that I have accumulated over the past couple of weeks, some of which are still not here yet, but I will be including inserts that you can see what the vibe is, what the looks are going to be, me styling the pieces, how I would wear them. I really feel like the best way to start an outfit is to start with the basic pieces. There are people who are on that trend of maximalism, and then there's people that are on the trend of minimalism, and I feel like I'm kind of in the middle. So just showing you how I would style it, and then hopefully that inspires you for what you might wear. So there's a couple of things. We have baggy pants, silhouette, and then we have midi skirts. Midi skirts are definitely coming back for the fall and winter. Low-waisted cuts, mini skirts. There's some fur going on, clearly. I'm wearing one of the items, two of the items actually, that I got during my Black Friday shopping. So, with that said, we are gonna get started. I'm very excited to show you all how I would style these looks. This is my first sit down talking to you, but also styling video. So if you all enjoy these, please let me know, and we will continue to do them in the future. I would love to do like an actual lookbook type of video, so if that's what you want, then I'll make it for you. Even if it's not what you want, I'm gonna still do it anyway.
If it's over, tell me why it's over. Yeah. Don't just go and run away. God, I hate the games you play. Cause then you call me when you need me, and I come right away. I don't know how you got this spell on me. You got a spell on me, a spell on me. You got a spell on me, a spell on me. You got the spell on me, the spell on me. You got the spell on me, the spell on me. Yeah, yeah. You got the spell on me, the spell on me. Yeah, yeah.
And that wraps up the Black Friday haul for 2022. I hope you all enjoyed the selections that I've made, seeing me style them, try them on, dance a little bit, because you know I gotta make it crazy. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you like types of videos like this or want to see something like it, whatever it is, let me know. Sound up below, DM me, text me if you know me, whatever it may be. I genuinely enjoy creating content like this. And I've been told that I need to do things like this, and this is my first time, and I did have a lot of fun. So I hope you all enjoyed as well. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Subscribing is the most important because I really do want to do a 300 subscriber giveaway for you all. So make sure you show your friends, share with your friends. Yeah, that's pretty much it for me today. Thank you all so much for tuning in. Thank you for supporting me. Thank you for, you know, just being here, watching this video. And until the next one, if I don't do the most, who will? Period. Okay, bye.
Every season, the only nigga I believe in.